Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, and this is Armin. Today we are going to unbox one of the most expensive phones that you can get. This is the Galaxy Z Fold 4, and really surprised that the box is a lot thinner than it used to be, because something is missing as usual nowadays. And we are going to look at what's inside the box. First look of the premium phone, and it's gonna be really nice to open and unbox together with you guys. And yeah, without any further ado, we can unbox it now. Okay, so we have the model number is F936B, and this is the 256 gigabytes. You can also get the higher memory if you want to. RAM is 12 gig, and I've opted to get the green. So to unbox it, of course, we need to have a knife, and yeah, that's completely sealed as you can see there. We are going to do that one. Okay, right, so as you open the box, you have the Samsung kind of logo. On top of it is kind of another packaging, which has, I believe, all the kind of paperwork and some bits and pieces. You got the manual, you got the SIM eject pin, and you've got a really thin USB-C to USB-C charger in there. So USB-C to USB-C lead, charging lead, basically. And of course the main thing is the actual phone. It is a lot thinner than, if you can see that that's the color grade. It's not too dark, it's not too kind of colorful like green and gray, but it's kind of good actually. It's really thin. That is really thin. Okay, we can take the plastic off. It's just so pretty to take the plastic off, really. Okay, so let's take that out. And that is your phone. Wow, this is a really good looking phone actually. Let's put that down there, and apart from that, there's nothing inside the box, and you've got cardboard there and kind of a phone tray. Basically, it only comes with a manual, your phone, the USB-C lead, and SIM eject pin, which is, in a premium phone you can expect, you would expect it has a lot in it, but no. So it has all the plastic around it still, and the actual phone has what you call a screen protector in there, so you don't have to buy, or you don't have to put that yourself. So it's kind of annoying to put that, I would think so, but in this case, Samsung has put one already. You also have, not sure if you have one in the front, but I don't think there is. Yeah, so I don't think there is a screen protector in the front. On the front of the screen. You've got one. You've got one in the in screen in there, and this is the first fold I'm gonna do this phone, and wow, that's quite thick. It's quite thick when it's folded, but when you unfold it, it is quite thin, and you got a tablet. Yeah, I'm just surprised and quite mesmerized on this one. Yeah, to give you an idea, so you have the Samsung on the kind of hinge, right in the middle, Samsung, and you've got the front camera still on the screen, and you've got the speakers there, and kind of 3 holes some kind of microphones and this and that. And you got a speaker down here, you got a speaker on the top and on the bottom, and you've got a USB-C charger. That's the microphone. You've got SIM tray in there, volume up and down, and the kind of on and off button there as well. And that's your 3 cameras with flash. Wow, it's actually quite nice. The back is kind of matte finished. I wouldn't say it's kind of fingerprint resistant, because I can see a little bit of fingerprint in there, but it's not too bad compared to if you touch the front of it. The front hasn't got any screen protector, so you probably best to buy one eventually. And there you go. She's so pretty. It's just so big. I'm trying to turn it on. Okay, so I'm just turning it on now. It's the Samsung Galaxy. There you go. Powered by Android. Let's just turn it on and wait for that. Okay. Right, so that's it. If you turn it on, the hinge are kind of visible when it's on. So if you look at the top, there's a kind of line there. If you can see, that's the line. There's a line. You can still see where the center of it, kind of crease where the phone folds. So if I fold it down again, so it should then come up from this side. There you go. There's a bit of latency there, but maybe because it's not set up yet. Right, so there you go. So I can hold it perfectly when it's folded, and it's just kind of thick, but I think I'm gonna get used to that one. Coming from an iPhone 12 user, iPhone 12 Pro Max user, so this is going to be my kind of primary phone, and I'll let you know. I'm just going to set it up and use it and do a little bit of reviews. It comes with kind of freebies coming, but you have to claim it from Samsung on the Samsung website. So I have claimed that, and I'm just still waiting for them to send it to me. It comes with the Galaxy Buds Pro 2, I believe, and then the starter pack, which comes with the charger and the case and the Samsung Pen that you can use. I'm gonna show that to you as well eventually. So so this is just an unboxing of the Galaxy Z Fold 4. So if you have any question, let me know. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.